Hey guys, it's Maymay and my trusty sidekick.
Oh, Vinny's here.
So we have an announcement to make, which is not the end of the world. It's just a little thing we have to tell you guys about. Tomorrow's video and Crafter After Show is not going to happen, but let me tell you why.
And probably not Vinny's Vittles.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. And we're going to have to do an announcement on your channel too. Yeah, because we won't be able to do that either. So our son Thomas, you guys will know. Fragile. You guys know him as Fragile. That's so funny. I forgot about that. He plays basketball, and a year and a half ago, he had total ACL rebuilding. Is what I don't know what they call it. There's a name for it. And he did fine, and he got through it, and he played basketball the season after that. And everything was fine. Well, 2 weeks ago, he took a slip on the court, and that slip tore his meniscus. In the same knee. In the same knee. Not the end of the world, because here's what that means. Because it's the same knee doesn't change anything. It's still a torn meniscus. It's not any worse than anybody else would experience. Right. But that means he has to have surgery. That surgery is tomorrow, which is Thursday, which is the live show day. We'll be doing that tomorrow. And what that's going to mean for our weekend videos is this. The next few days, we're going to be all about Thomas. And open house is going to be the same. Nothing changes with open house. We already have open house almost done. Amanda and the team have worked amazingly well. I mean, everybody. Jamie, Mandy, Amber, Daphne. Everybody's been working on it. We even have Vince's parents in. And has that been in the camera the whole time?
No.
Vince's parents have been helping. My mom came and helped. Brenda's been helping. The team, Tracy and Tamitha are coming into town to help. That's going to be done, no problem. We already have, like I said, most of that stuff done. But the big thing is videos this week, because we don't have time to just go and sit and do those. So my video tomorrow and our live show won't happen. My Saturday video, we're going to do a live from open house. I think you guys will enjoy that, and you'll get to see what's going on.
Yep.
So we're going to do a live from open house at noon, so you'll still see us there. Vinny's Vittles.
Won't happen.
When will it be back?
Next week.
So next Saturday, because he just isn't, there's just no way.
Time's just not permitting for us to get it done this week with this additional time-consuming event of him having surgery. And of course, you know, that's more important than Vinny's Vittles any day. So,
and you guys know that.
Yeah. So we're going to take care of Thomas tomorrow, and may have to take care of him on Friday too, because he's going to have to be on crutches for a couple of days. So it's just going to make us out of pocket, and you know, it's going to limit our availability.
Yes. The big thing is because it's a live show. If it was pre-recorded, we wouldn't have to worry about it.
Oh,
It'd be done. But it's a live show. That's the biggest thing. And then Saturday, we're going to do live anyway. So we would appreciate your prayers for Thomas. This is a big deal for him. Even though it's meniscus and it can be healed in a few weeks and not like his ACL where it was months, this is still a big deal for Thomas and for his school and for his team. So be in prayer for him, because this, you know, we want him to heal correctly, but we want him to heal quickly so he can be back to what he's
for his psyche. You know, he loves playing basketball. It's his senior season. Mm-hmm. It's a big season for his team and for him. So, you know, it's a big deal for him. So we appreciate you praying for him, and that the recovery will be speedy and that everything will go smooth tomorrow. And we really do appreciate it.
That was about it. We just want to tell y'all that. We love you guys. We appreciate your support and your sweet comments. Oh my goodness. I was reading comments to Vince last night, and it's the comments about our home tour and stuff. You guys are the sweetest. We appreciate it so much. Just beautiful, sweet, loving our cozy home and things like that. Just sweet comments. We appreciate you. We appreciate your support. We'll see some of you guys Saturday for open house, and those that we don't get to see, we'll be thinking of you. We will, because I know what it's like to miss out on something like that. I just love that we get to do those kind of holiday things together. So anything else, Vin?
I can't think of anything else. What about Sunday? We'll be able to do Sunday's video?
We will try. I don't want to skip it if we can keep from it. That's something we're doing so specific, and we get to sit down and just kind of discuss it. We probably could film that Friday. We probably could make that happen.
We'll try.
Even if we did it from home, even if we had to film it at night, we probably could get that done. That's not a craft I have to prep or do live or anything like that. We could probably get that done. Plan for Sunday to happen. I don't want to skip Sunday videos. I enjoy them, and I think you guys enjoy them too. So, all right. We love you guys. I'm going to let you push the end button because I can't reach it.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.